everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another day, man. Another day in 2020. I hope everyone's doing as well as they can. I wanted to be super happy in this video, and I don't even know what's going on over me. I just want to check in with everyone. I hope everyone's doing fine. I know that 2020 has been a roller coaster. I believe that it is a much needed change that we do need. But there's a lot of negativity going on. There's a lot of news that we could be that we shouldn't be digesting so much, and in so many different platforms. I feel like we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have the news, and then whoever you're living with has the news on, and it's a lot. I think it could be a lot. So even though this video is not much of something super important going on in the world, these are things that make me feel good. I have been coming across I came across this beauty vlogger that I've been watching. Her name is Tamara, and I'll post her down. And it's just crazy. Like her videos make me feel so good, and I had just posted an unboxing of a purse that I got. And the feedback that I got, and it got so many views, and I'm like, okay, you know what? I think I'm not the only one that's kind of escaping on like watching shows that are funny and going on YouTube and watching things to just like distract ourselves for like 5 or 10 minutes. 1 in 56. I'm like trying to count. I know the intros are annoying, but I just want to do things that make you feel good and kind of can make you escape. So I wanted to share something with you guys. This is another unboxing, so let's get to it. So I have another unboxing, and I am super excited because I have been dying to purchase something from this brand, and my best friend actually got her first piece about a year or two ago, and I like wasn't totally convinced with the whole brand. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and we are gonna unbox this right now. So this isn't a typical unboxing because it does not come in the box of the brand. I just couldn't wrap myself around. It's so weird. Like, this is such a tiny purse. You can barely fit anything into it, but it's the look. And I think it's a reasonable price, as in it is considered luxury. And I am so excited. I got it on sense.com, which is SSENSE. And I'm like, Sense? Oh my god, I don't know how to spell sense. Hold, please. We're just gonna go again with that. Okay. I wasn't convinced with this brand until I kind of saw it come over. I wanted to see how it played out in the fashion world, and I'm obsessed. I just got it today in the mail. I did open it because I was like, I gotta open this right now because this is my first piece from the brand, and I love their clothing. This is not from them, but this is very much like their style, very flowy, very solid colors, not too many patterns, but if they do have the patterns, it's recognizable patterns, which is why I got this purse. I got this purse because it is pink, and if you know me and have been following my channel, you know that my favorite color is pink. So I want to welcome my first Jacquemus. Yes, guys, I got the purse that nothing fits inside, not even your patience. So I'm very excited. It comes obviously the Sense from the website. I got it at a really good discounted price, which was like, okay, you know, if I'm gonna buy something this small, this is a reasonable price for me to buy it at. This purse is originally around $5.80. I would say this is the Chiquito, not the mini, because the mini, that's definitely like a little bracelet. But this is the mini, and it is pink. It is the pink pattern, almost like picnic-y pink. It's this baby. You guys love it? So this is the mini Chiquito from Jacquemus. This is the pink print, pink check Chiquito. I love this. I've been wanting it so bad, and I've been looking. Hey, I feel like it has a little scratchy. Oh no, it's just dirt. I've been looking at these kinds of purses for so long, and I was trying to wrap my head around it because I'm like, it is so small. Like, can you really fit anything in it? What I like about it is that it's really sturdy. The material, it's hard, it's stand worthy. I don't know if that's even a word, but even when you flip it, typically cheap purses that flip like this, they tend to crease super like a lot in this area, and it doesn't crease that much. Like, it holds its size, and my best friend has had hers for a while and it holds pretty well and she wears it a lot. I love this piece. I think it's cute because not only can you style it really nicely, it's a day purse, it could be a night purse. You could just wear it like this at night. You can wear it with the chain, which I will show you that it comes with. Comes with the pink chain, which I will show you. And obviously the same pattern, gold hardware. I really like this because you could style it so many ways. I know it's kind of like, it's so small, how the F do you style it? But there is a lot of ways that you can style it. So you can obviously just wear it like this. You have to know kind of what you're gonna wear, because I was thinking like, oh, this pattern you can only wear with white. No. You could wear it with solid colors. Just try not to wear it with too many patterns, pattern on pattern, unless it makes sense. But I'll show you. I actually would wear it with something like this. So this is like a long white t-shirt that I'm wearing, and the way you could wear this is even with pants. You could wear it as a belt and your purse could just lay there, or you can wear it cross-body and it lays so nice. It lays so nice. You can have it adjusted where it's like super high, you can have it adjusted where it's low. What I was saying was you could wear it as a belt straight up like this. I just really love this purse. I think it's super cute. Now, what can you fit in here? Not even my patience. No, literally, like, you really can't fit anything here. Let's try. So, this is what it looks like inside. This is the little, it's like a magnetic clip. It clips automatically. Let's take out the plastic from here. Okay, so let's see what I'm gonna fit. So, let's say you have your ID and your license, because your card, whatever, I'm just putting random. Can this fit here? Yeah, you know, it can fit sideways, it can fit diagonal. Yeah, it fits. Okay, so your ID and your debit card, some cash maybe, obviously chapstick or like a lip balm. So I have my super balm. Can it fit in here? Let me screw this right. Okay. Definitely not your phone, guys. I can fit that in there, and then have your little lipstick, which I know people might ask, what lipstick am I wearing? This is the YSL Rouge Per Couture, color 52. I got this when I was, what did I do? I think I was modeling for them in a small campaign in New York City, which was really fun. So that, okay. So this is what we got going on. We could probably fit one more thing. I was curious to see if I could fit my lip liner in there. No. Yeah, definitely not the lip liner. So, what about a disinfectant? Am I doing too much here? Oh my god, guys. Nah, that keeps it too fat. Yeah, probably not the disinfectant, but that's fine. You can have little disinfectant packets. So yeah, it fits like 2 lip products and your card and your debit card and some cash, which is all that you need. So that is everything that you can fit in a alllll Chiquito, right? It's the alllll Chiquito. Yes, the alllll Chiquito Jacquemus pink purse. I am really excited with this purse. I definitely don't think that this is a item that's gonna hold up for a long time. I definitely think this is like a seasonal. This is something that will probably go out of style in a few years. But as you guys, if you don't remember, if you didn't watch my last video, I'm not really a trend person. I wear what I want whenever I want. Like, even when I was in New York and it was snowing, I was wearing shorts because I am a Miami, LA girl at heart. So yeah, I'm really excited with this purse. I think I got a super good deal. I'm gonna post this video on Tuesday, so hopefully the deal is still there. They also have 2 other kinds of Jacquemus purses that I love. I actually really wanted the nude one as well, but it was a little bit more expensive, so I was like, you know what, let me just save a few bucks, get the pink one. I can't go wrong with the pink one. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to distract you for a few minutes. And to close out this video, I just hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone's doing as much as they can, trying to take care of themselves, trying to take care of others, trying to educate others, and to just digest as much information as you can. It's good to be aware, it's good to help, but I was reminded by someone that I respect a lot that you can't have your hands in everything, and as long as you pick something that you're really, really passionate about and try and make a change, that's as much as we can do, and hope to spread light onto things. So I love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go fit my patients in here. Bye.